Flip it. Master Korean reversible pairs with fun. Part 4. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our Korean language series, Flip It Master Korean reversible pairs with fun. Today's reversible words are
사회
and
회사.
they sound similar, but have different meanings depending on the context. We'll cover their pronunciations, meanings, cultural insights, symbolic meanings in K-pop, and practical sentences you can use today. Plus, a fun quiz awaits to test your skills. So stick around. The first word is
사회.
Shall we practice its pronunciation together? Repeat after me.
사회. 사. 사회. 사회.
Has two key meanings. First, it can mean society or community, like the world we share. In Korean culture, it reflects the strong importance of group harmony, respect for elders, and fulfilling one's role within the community. In K-pop, it is often used when talking about the challenges young people face, such as pressure judgment from society, unfair expectations, or the dream to make a better world. It also means host or MC. It is a respected role in Korea, guiding events like weddings, TV shows, or school festivals with clear speech, energy, and charisma. Even student ceremonies often have it, reflecting Korea's organized, ceremonial culture. In K-pop, it symbolizes connection and leadership, transforming a scripted role into a platform for personality and fandom bonding. Now, let's use this word in 4 practical sentences to make you sound like a native. I'll say each sentence in Korean, breaking it into short phrases with pauses for you to repeat. Perfect for nailing pronunciation like a K-pop pro. Follow the on-screen text as we go from parts to the full sentence, step by step. Ready to shine? The first sentence is
아이들은 우리 사회의 희망이자 미래입니다.
This means children are the hope and future of our society. Let's say this sentence together.
아이들은 우리 사회의 희망이자 미래입니다. 아이들은 우리 사회의 희망이자 미래입니다. 아이들은 우리 사회의 희망이자 미래입니다.
The second sentence is
차별 없는 사회를 만들기 위해 노력합시다.
This means let's strive to create a society without discrimination. Let's say this sentence together.
차별 없는 사회를 만들기 위해 노력합시다. 차별 없는 사회를 만들기 위해 노력합시다. 차별 없는 사회를 만들기 위해 노력합시다.
The third sentence is
저는 학교 축제에서 사회를 맡았어요.
This means I took on the role of host at the school festival. Let's say this sentence together.
저는 학교 축제에서 사회를 맡았어요. 저는 학교 축제에서 사회를 맡았어요. 저는 학교 축제에서 사회를 맡았어요.
The fourth sentence is
제 친구는 저에게 결혼식 사회를 부탁했어요.
This means my friend asked me to be the host of the wedding. Let's say this sentence together.
제 친구는 저에게 결혼식 사회를 부탁했어요. 제 친구는 저에게 결혼식 사회를 부탁했어요. 제 친구는 저에게 결혼식 사회를 부탁했어요.
The second word is
회사.
which is formed by reversing the syllables of.
사회,
Shall we practice its pronunciation together? Here's how to pronounce it.
회사, 회사.
This means company or workplace. In Korea, work culture tends to prioritize seniority, loyalty, and group identity. In K-pop, it often symbolizes adulting, such as responsibility and ambition. Now, let's use this word in 2 practical sentences to make you sound like a native. I'll say each sentence in Korean, breaking it into short phrases with pauses for you to repeat. Perfect for nailing pronunciation like a K-pop pro. Follow the on-screen text as we go from parts to the full sentence, step by step. The first sentence is,
저는 요즘 회사에 일찍 가요.
this means I go to the company early these days. Let's say this sentence together.
저는 요즘 회사에 일찍 가요. 저는 요즘 회사에 일찍 가요. 저는 요즘 회사에 일찍 가요.
The second sentence is,
어제 저희 회사에 연예인이 왔어요.
this means yesterday, a celebrity came to our company. Let's say this sentence together.
어제 저희 회사에 연예인이 왔어요. 어제 저희 회사에 연예인이 왔어요. 어제 저희 회사에 연예인이 왔어요.
Quiz time. A fun quiz with 3 questions awaits to test your skills. I'll give you sentences with a blank. Is it?
사회,
Or?
회사.
Pause and pick the right word, then comment your answers below. Let's go. Here's the first one.
저는 에서 월급을 많이 받아요.
This means I receive a high salary at the company. Is it?
사회,
Or?
회사.
Pause and choose. Let's see the second.
우리는 행복한 를 만들고 싶어요.
This means we want to create a happy society. Is it?
사회,
Or?
회사.
Pause and choose. Here's the last one.
그는 K-팝 콘서트에서 를 봤어요.
This means he was the host at a K-pop concert. Is it?
사회,
Or?
회사.
How did you do? Which question was easiest? Try making your own sentence with the 2 words. Post it in the comments for a shout out in our next video. That's a wrap, Korean language crew. Now, you've mastered 2 powerful Korean words.
사회,
And
회사.
6 sentences and a fun quiz. Remember, these words show up everywhere, in K-pop lyrics, real-life conversations, and even in Korean culture. If you enjoyed learning with me today, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more Korean learning fun. See you in the next video.